देवी प्रपन्नार्ति हरे प्रसीद प्रसीद मातर जगतो अखिलस्य प्रसीद विश्वेश्वरी पाहि विश्वं स्वईश्वरी देवी चराचरस्य आधारभूता जगतस्त्वमेका महीस्वरूपेण.
Today actually we have thought to bring you something very new out of the blue, and that is
scratch painting.
What?
Scratch painting.
Is it so? What's that?
So I am very fond of scratch painting. It's something that I've been doing for quite some time now. It's a form of art. So basically, there is a canvas which is coated with a light color, and the same is coated again with a darker color, and the lighter color is then scratched out with some sharp objects like needle or toothpick or anything like that.
Okay, so but is it a genuine form of art?
It is. It was invented back in 19th century in France and Britain, and later it got popular in 20th century in America when this particular form of art replaced the traditional usual wood or metal carving.
Yes, so metal engraving, right?
Yes. So I'll also tell you what all things you need in order to do scratch painting. So, and there are many ways of doing it, right? There are no strict and hard and fast rules for anything. The way I like it with oil pastels. So I got it from Spencer, and they are pretty cheap as well. They are only 35 bucks. The second is the needle that I mentioned, right? Because you need an object to scratch. So this is what I'm going to use today. It's called the quilling needles. I got them from Starbucks. They are again very cheap, only $1.79, and you get so many. I only needed one, but I got so many. Last but not the least, the canvas itself.
The most important one actually.
These are again available at Starbucks. You will get them for around 150 bucks, right? So we'll be using 3 of them today. The size and shape is pretty much like this, and yeah, that's all you need, and obviously some passion and hard work. Yeah, so let's get started. So this is the first phase of the painting, where I am coating the entire canvas with this light peach color shade. I'll continue doing that for all 3 canvases. So once I'm happy with the entire coating, so then I'll have to smudge the paint to make it a smooth surface on top of which I can apply the black paint. So I'm almost done. So I'm at least done with the first phase, and post completion this is what it looks like. This is the next phase, where I am applying the black coat on top of the peach color. So in this phase too, I'll have to smudge the black color to make it smooth. I find it the most difficult part of this entire job. It makes your fingers go numb. First part of the most difficult part is done. So I had coated them in lighter shade first, and then I have coated them in darker shade. The first color, which is underneath, which you cannot see now, that is peach color, and on top of that then I've used the black color. So I have 3 of them ready now. So these are the 3 canvases that I have, and I'll start the scratch part now. Durga Puja is knocking on the door, and today I plan to do a painting which will reflect the true spirit of Durga Puja in the city of joy.
Prasida Vishveshwari Pahi Vishwam Swavishwari Devi Charatarasya Adharabhuta Jagatastvameka Mahiswarupeda Yatah Sitasi Apang Swarupasthitaya Tavaitadapya Yate Krishnam Alanghya Virye Vishnavi Shaktir Ananta Virya Vishwasya Vijang Paramasimaya Sammohitang Devi Samastametat Vangavaita Sanna Bhuvi Mukti Hetu Vidya Samasta Stava Devi Veda Sriya Samasta.
Even if you make some mistakes, there is no need to worry. the black crayon itself will work like an eraser. Just apply the black crayon on that part, smudge it, and you are good to go. In this drawing I have tried to capture some iconic monuments which I believe reflect the identity of Kolkata.
सर्वस्य बुद्धिरूपेण जनस्य हृदि संस्थिते स्वर्गापवर्गदे देवी नारायणी नमस्तुते कलाकष्टादिरूपेण परिणामप्रदायिनी विश्वस्योपरतौ शक्ते नारायणी नमस्तुते सर्वमङ्गलमङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते सृष्टि स्थिति विनाशानां शक्ति.
If the monuments are the skeleton of the city, then the people are definitely its soul.
नारायणी नमस्तुते शरणागत दीनार्थ परित्राण परायणे सर्वस्यार्ति हरे देवी नारायणी नमस्तुते.
One fun fact, also something to be proud about, Apuraj Barua from Assam, India has the Guinness Book of World Records for the longest scratch painting in the world. The painting is 20 meter long and 1.4 meter wide. I have no clue how he did it in 12 hours.
मयूर कुक्कुटवृते महाशक्ति धरे नघे कौमारी रूप संस्थाने नारायणी नमस्तुते.
If you are creating a series, you need some connectors. Here I am trying to connect these two paintings.
नारायणी नमस्तुते गृहीतग्रमहाचक्रे दंशध्रीतव.
So I am done with the painting and here is the final version. If you like this piece of art and if you like this video, do share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Kaleidoscope.